Hey, hi everybody.
Hi,
We are here to make some desserts, right, Evelyn?
we're here to make some desserts.
Yes, we're gonna make some desserts. We're gonna be making today. We're gonna make strawberry shortcake in a jar.
And I go.
How does that sound? Sounds good, right?
And cheers.
Yeah, cheers. We're gonna. But after we do the cheers and then we eat. Okay?
Okay, and cheers.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, we're gonna be making. I use. It's just a strawberry cake mix box, and it's fresh. It's already cooled down, so it's gonna be really good. And we have some strawberry filling.
Yeah.
And we have some fresh strawberries as well.
We have some strawberry filling.
Yes, and strawberries. These are your strawberries. And then we have some whipping cream. Look, it's really good. This one we made it out of scratch. So I think it's gonna be pretty good. Are you ready to start?
Yeah.
Okay. First, we're gonna start with our jar.
Okay.
Okay. And then we're gonna make little circles like this.
I can do it.
Yeah, you can do it. You can do yours. There we go. Then now you push it in. Push it in. No. Turn it around. And then you push it in. There you go.
Take it out.
Yes. No. We're going to push it in there. They might crack, but it's okay because it's just a cake. It's like a strawberry shortcake in pieces. So you're going to use yours and then I'll use mine, okay? What we're going to do this. We're going to put some filling in here. And then you do yours. You do yours. There we go. Good job. Put some more. We can put some more. We can put some more on it. And then we're going to do some strawberries. You get your strawberries. You put 1, 2. Can you put 1 and 2 in there? Evelyn is making some for her and Ella. That's my other grandbaby. So ready? I'm going to put some whipped cream in here. It looks really good. Wait, that's enough. Only we need 1, 2. We put 1 and 2. That's enough.
I can do it.
Yes, wait. And then we're going to put another one. Okay, there we go. All around. There we go. Okay, now we stop. And then we do it again. But I'm going to give you 1 and you can put it in there, okay? It's really easy.
It's really easy.
Yes, you put it in there, push it in there. There you go.
Oh my God, look at that one.
Yeah, it looks really nice and delicious.
Yeah,
okay, now we put some more jam.
Look at that.
Look, with the more filling, put more filling on it. Put some more filling on it. More filling. And then we put some strawberries. Maybe like 2 strawberries. Okay, put some more. You need some more filling. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, right there.
Oh.
There we go.
Oh, I fell down.
It's okay. You can pick it up, Mama. There we go.
Put it on yours?
Yes, you can put it on mine. Okay?
And put some on.
Yeah, and then we're going to put some more whip.
Okay.
Let's see. It already looks really good. Okay, let's do in yours. There we go. How do you think it looks? And then you just smash it a little bit. Just hit it down so it can go all the way down. And I think we can add another layer. It looks really nice. Look at this. You go like this. Yeah. Good job. Now on yours, we can put a strawberry on top. And yours is ready. Can you put a strawberry on top? There we go.
And put some of yours.
Yeah.
And I can get some of yours.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yes, and we just clean it up for a little bit, and then we can do it.
And the hands, okay?
Yeah.
And one hand.
Just wait on there. Let me get some napkins, okay?
For us, okay?
Yeah, for us. Here's one for you, and here's one for Grandma. We're going to be making this for church for tomorrow for the church people. So it's our church family. We're going to be making some desserts for tomorrow for them. So you all are welcome to come and join us. We have service tomorrow at 10:30 at a Promise Church. It's located in College Station. We're going to put all the information after the video, and you might want to come and taste these. We're also going to be making banana pudding on a mason jar. I think this is enough, right?
Mm-hmm.
We're just going to put a little bit more on top.
And a little bit more on top.
Yes, a little bit more, just a little bit. I think yours is ready.
Okay. First, I need to put
Look,
more.
look at yours and look at mine. Oh
So
my
cute.
goodness.
It's so cool.
It looks so nice. How cool, right? It looks good.
It's
So
so
show them. So this is ours. And this is mine. That's Evelyn's. And that's going to be for Ella. Ella and Evelyn's little dessert. And these are called strawberry shortcake in a mason jars.
Strawberry.
Very simple to make. Easy to make.
It's
And at the same time, you get to enjoy it with your grandbabies.
Some babies and joy.
Yeah.
And
Say, you tell them, come over tomorrow to church. Tell them.
come to the outer church.
To church. Look, and we're going to have some desserts.
And have some church.
Yes. Cheers. Bye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.